Welcome to this beautiful morning in Da Nang. You know what's crazy? When you really look at it all the time, then you realize how many taxis are here in this area. So every time you see a yellow number plate, that is basically a Grab or a transporter from a hotel or a company transporting tourists or something, or anyone. As you can see here, see how many yellow number plates there are. But this cute Suzuki Wagon R is actually not a Grab. But those modern ones, Stargazer, and all the white ones basically, are all taxis kinda. Now here I see the first time an Expander, Mitsubishi Expander, which is not a taxi. Interesting. Then, like some exotic cars, actually have normal plates. This beautiful VinFast. What is it again? I've never seen this one. Huh. We are currently in An Thuong 34. We're gonna walk to the beach and check out how beautiful the beach is today. In this mid to end September. Yes. It's phenomenal. There was not a huge storm that hit us really badly. They usually go north or go to China at the moment. There's a very nasty storm lingering around even before the Philippines, so not sure how that will end up. Look at this cute VF3. Oh, I love it. And we continue with the taxis here. I think the Expander is the most common taxi in Da Nang. You can order this with a 6-seater Grab on your app. And sometimes, actually, that's a very good tip. If you want to have the big cars where you can adjust your aircon yourself in the back, it's usually the 6-seater of Grab car. And they're all bigger, and you can adjust your temperature, which is very nice, guys. Definitely. And they give you 20% at the moment, 20% off. Yeah, so for example, if you go to the airport or anything like that, or anywhere, you usually get 20% off in a voucher in your Grab app if you order the 6-seater. So even if I drive only with Marcus or alone, I take the 6-seater. Because it's just, I don't know, 3,000 dong more than the normal. But then you usually have a little bit cleaner, more space, and you can adjust the temperature, so you will not have bad experience. Which you can actually have if you use the normal Grab car. Because sometimes they just hang out around here and sleeping in the car, and then you come in and it smells very bad and it's warm. And with a 6-seater, usually the AC in the back is blasting. Let's have a stroll here. We were still in the An Thuong 34 street. It goes all the way and then to the left, and then we're gonna go head over to the beach. That's how it looks. This plot of land is so good. I'm wondering when they're gonna build something on it. Beef station. Ooh, this is brand new. This was what was it before? It was a convenience store. Hi. What do you have? Oh, 20% off. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. So Borneo lovers, that's where you have to go. Looks pretty nice, though. Let me just look. I don't want to eat, but I just want to look. Oh, awesome. Okay. When did you open? 1 day ago? 2?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow open. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, new store. Looks pretty good value, guys. Beef station. Hey, Will, I know Will is in Saigon, not Saigon, in Manila at the moment. I think that might be good for you. Hey, how you doing, man? That might be good for you, Will. He loves Bonaire, and his home is right here to the left, so very close by. Gotta send him a text. For everyone who goes in his life, tell him there's a new Bonaire place here. Angel's Day. It was one of the best deals before, but now they changed the price, I think. We have the Taiyan Hotel here on the right. What are they doing? Yo, what is going on here? What? That looks like they're... Uh-oh. What's happening? The Chu Hotel is already done. Maybe they're renovating it and making it as nice as the Tayo, because it's the same group, I think. And the little wall they built here, yeah, it's gone already. No more wall. Oh man. But yeah, it looks pretty bad. But still, this place here, very good alternative. Also the ones to the right here, the apartments, also pretty good. My God, it's so hot. Hot and humid, guys. A friend lived here one time. English friend, BM apartments. It was 2-bedroom apartment. Forgot how much she paid, but it wasn't that much. The Viva Service apartments. I filmed that one on my main channel. Or was it this? I'm not sure. So Wok-hei moved and changed the name to Mayflower. Wondering what will happen to this building. I'm wondering also if they are already successful now. They're still giving out free samples. The only thing is, like, if I see those samples outside in the heat for so long, I don't want to try it. I really want to try the food there one time. And look what happened here. Guys, we just been here 3 weeks ago. Hello! Checked out this place. Whoa! The Villa Group. What will it be, guys? It looks like a restaurant or something. Huh. Brand new spots, guys. Brand new spots. And they're also developing strongly here on this corner unit. But we will see what happens there. This will be also very exciting, this place. I just want to know if it's a hotel or apartment. I mean, it should be a hotel because look at the entrance. Majestically high ceilings, beautiful. We have some Indian restaurant over there and even an Indian mart. So if you fancy some Indian products, there you can get it. Let's go through that beautiful new paved pavement for a pavement report. All right. Okay. Good job, guys. Good job. Good pavement. And it goes like this, so the water will go out quickly. I'm not sure what they're building here. Oh wow, look at this, how beautiful this will look like. Oh. Guys, I think it's just a matter of some weeks until it's gonna be open, everything. And those are small little stores. Huh. The CC, oh, look at this beautiful ramp. This is fantastic, guys. This is a proper ramp for wheelchairs. Ooh, look at this. Oh, not too steep. Then you have to still go up here. And hopefully, I mean, this will be probably a tree. Hopefully no one will park here. So a wheelchair could actually have a nice experience here. Look at this. Ooh, and then around that area would be nice. Then most likely the Sicilia would be also a great option because they have also a very nice ramp and it is just opposite. So if, like the Sicilia here, have a good ramp and good for wheelchairs, then you just have to cross the street and maybe turbo up here. Or maybe, oh, look at this, this is beautiful. This is, guys, we're getting there. This might be even possible for wheelchairs here, because this is also not that steep. That could be done. Then you have almost, I mean, this is not that good to drive, but maybe if you have off-road wheels, it might be better. But at the moment, this might be a good option to stay in Sicilia, have the restaurants over there on the way, and then you can go to the beach. Yet for skateboarding, it's not good. Maybe this one, a little bit. But since there's so many people all the time, not the best conditioning. But yeah, look at the streets. Taxi, 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 taxi. Construction workers. So without tourism, there would be no cars here around, I think. Even this MG is also a taxi. And it's a taxi company, Dana. This is even a taxi. What? So this is very interesting. If you see a European car, it's usually an expensive car. So you won't see a C-Class. You will rather see a S-Class or a Maybach. Look at this beautiful beach today. This is fantastic, guys. I can't believe it. This is mid-September in Da Nang, Vietnam. They removed the Schaukel. The sling? Schaukel? Huh. But wow. Everyone who gambled and booked September, GG, guys. GG, congratulations. It is very empty and beautiful ocean, beautiful beach. The hotel prices are down like crazy compared to last month. And yeah, awesome. But it is still a gamble, guys, and those typhoons just missing us at the moment. So it can be, of course, the best September ever. Maybe it is. Maybe we'll have the best rainy season ever. That would be great. I feel so weak, guys. I only eat one time a day and so much protein. I'm like, my body is starving for sugar and sweets and everything like that. Oh my God. I'm almost dying here, but it's okay. I think I lost 3 kilos now. This week alone. I'm shedding up crazy, but I think I was also very bloated. But yeah, my energy levels are low. I still go out and walk for you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And look at this beautiful beach here. Fantastic. The view is perfect to the Suncha Mountain. That means no pollution at all. Beautiful. This is the great thing when it rains every day. Rain every day for a few hours, or 1-2 strong hours, or 30 minutes of heavy rainstorm. Bro, that is awesome. It makes everything like so nice and crisp, the air afterwards. Of course, we don't want to have a rain depression, because that will last the whole day, and bad weather and clouds and gray and wet. But a little bit of a thunderstorm in the evening or in the afternoon or something, I'll take it, guys. It's very hot, guys. It's very hot. It's always the same temperature. It just feels sometimes a little bit hotter and sometimes fresher. But the temperature is usually the same, around 30 degrees Celsius. It just always says it feels hotter or feels colder. So no matter what, no matter if it's raining or not, there's always shorts weather, always t-shirt weather. Unlike December and January, it can go down to 17 degrees. Then you will also see Vietnamese putting out their puffer jackets. And you know what? I became like that too. So if you're in Germany and 17 degrees, you still have t-shirt on. You think like, oh, that's a nice spring weather or something. Yeah, here it's winter. And if you live long enough in the heat, you will become also very weak to the cold. Even though I really enjoy cold sometimes. That's why I love to go to Hanoi during fall. Or even in the winter, when it gets down to 13 degrees or something. It feels ice cold in Hanoi. It is very cozy, especially if you have the best furs in the whole world in one city, in Hanoi. You will actually appreciate cold weather combination with a hot, piping hot fur. And yeah, fantastic. So winter in Hanoi, I kind of dig it though. I really wanna go back. Hanoi, when it's cold, when it's hot, it's terrible. Because I feel like this is real 40 degrees there. No air, pollution like crazy in the summer. Ooh, that's very bad in Hanoi. But everything but summer, oh yes, I like it. I even enjoyed my wedding in January in Hanoi at the Red River. Yeah, it was great. Perfect weather to wear a suit. Imagine having to wear a suit when it's hot like shit. Nah. Cold weather is great. Especially also if just a food trip or historical sites, you don't want to have it hot. I really recommend winter in Hanoi. Oh, fantastic. It is very hot, guys. You gotta be careful. I will definitely go back to the shade now and into my AC room. Whew. And hopefully I'm gonna have a good meal today. Yeah, with that beautiful view, I will say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next vlog.